is Chaudhary Altamash. My teacher name is Mrs. Fahmida. My school name is देवनार कॉलोनी म्युनिसिपल उर्दू स्कूल नंबर 2. दोस्तों, आज मैं आपको कॉमन नाउन की 4 किस्में बताऊंगा. There are 4 types of common noun. Number 1, countable noun. Number 2, uncountable noun. Number 3, concert noun. Number 4, abstract noun. Example of countable noun: country, story, box, table, mile. Example of uncountable noun: hair, sky, fire, gas, fun, enjoy. Concert noun means that can touch or see. Example: school, student, teacher, calendar, child. Abstract noun means that stand for feelings, ideas, qualities, action. Example: life, time, unity, happiness, sadness, childhood, move.